So these are the new iPhone XS range. This is the slightly smaller version, 5.8 inches across, the same as last year's. This one is even bigger, 6.5 inches. That's the biggest screen Apple has ever put into a phone. But because it goes almost edge to edge, this device is actually roughly the same size as the iPhone 8 Plus that they had last year. So it doesn't feel like it's too much of a big device. The bigger version is going to cost $1,099, £1,099 as well. The smaller version is going to be the same as last year's model, $999 or £999. Not much in the way of huge hardware upgrades. In fact, the person next to me at the event suggested the S in XS should stand for subtle, but I'll let that one go. One of the features I want to show you is this new depth control that Apple's very excited about. It involves the portrait mode, which many people will know is when you take a nice picture of someone that has the blurry background, giving that nice depth of field. What you can do now is after you've taken one of those pictures, you can go in and edit that depth of field, so you can take it there from where the background isn't too blurry and then adjust it, and it gives you that nice blurry background that really makes the person in the picture stand out. And the crucial thing here is that you can do that after you've taken the picture, and that's something Apple is saying is going to be a very useful thing for people to do. One of the other things in all of the new iPhones this year, so this one, the smaller one, but also the budget iPhone XR, is the capability of having dual SIMs, an eSIM. So as well as your normal SIM card with your normal number, you can have another number in your phone as well. So imagine you're taking a break on a holiday and you arrive at an airport in a new country. You can simply add a new local number without having to go into a shop and buy a new SIM card and go through all of that faff. It seems like a minor change for these devices, but I think it's a feature that many people will find pretty useful. But as for Apple's range this year, these are the main events, and we'll see whether people will want to shell out for the $1,099 big version, the iPhone XS Max.